So I'm starting my packing for Uttarakhand trip and it now looks like a mess, but I would like to tell you that we are going for 20 days, so I'm carrying 20 t-shirts for Akhil, 20 t-shirts for me, and then 4 long tops and sweatshirts, same for me as well. And then I'm carrying a trekking pant, a jeans and a jogger, similarly for Akhil as well. So it's a trekking pant, a jogger and 2 jeans. Then we have our night clothes. I'm carrying 4 sets for that. Now these are few important things like nail cutter, scissor, and then your foot cream is very necessary. Vaseline, always necessary when you go to high altitude places, and then sunscreen, definitely necessary. And then I'm also keeping a hair serum because the hair becomes very dry. Then I'm also carrying a hand wash with me just for necessary. Then these are shampoo sachets and yes, rest of my toiletries. Then these are few things for women's safety probably. These are the toilet seat covers and these are the sanitizer sprays. Then these are few medicines which we always carry with ourselves: Volini for any sprains and Dolo for fever, and then Hansaplast for any kind of bruises, and then Strepsils and Pudin Hara for any tummy issues, and then Vicks. Of course, we are carrying an oximeter also at this time, along with a thermometer, because we feel that all these things are necessary when you're like going out. And there are a few basic medicines which we are taking, like Dimox and Pandy. These are for, so Dimox is for, we are not carrying Dimox, we are carrying this homeo medicine which I had carried for Ladakh for traveler's sickness. I got it prescribed from my doctor, so I usually tell her where am I going and then she prescribes me this. Then we have Pandy for any gas kind of issues. So yeah, that's what the medicines which we are carrying for now. For the villains, we are carrying 1 light jacket and 1 heavy jacket for the winter. And then we are also carrying these warmers, 2 sets each, top and bottom. So these are from Decathlon and these are like really warm and like really good. I've also kept some beanies because we would require it, and gloves. Also gloves, and then muffler. So I'm packing the night clothes right now. So what I did is I have spread my t-shirt and then I have put this track pant on top of it. So how you fold is you double fold the legs and then you fold it like this. For t-shirt you fold it over here. So because I want to make it as a set, so I'm gonna fold all this together. So you need to be putting it as tight as possible, and then the rolled area will become a cover. So this is how your night set would look. So we are packing 1 extra set of clothes which will dry fast because we are planning to go for river rafting. So this set is for our river rafting. So I'm gonna pack shorts and t-shirts in the same way as I packed the night clothes. Pack it as tightly as possible and then cover it, and then this is ready. For warmers also we are following the same technique what we followed for our night suit and the other t-shirt and shorts. So we are folding the warmer t-shirt from below 2 times and then folding the pants and then rolling it all together as tightly as possible. I say tightly because it has to go in the trekking bag and it will stay properly. So now we'll do all kinds of jacket has to be folded like this. We'll do the puffer one like this. So we'll fold the hands first towards the chest and then fold it into half and then take the bottom half, reverse the jacket and pull it inside like this. And this will consume very less space in your bag and you can fold it like this.